Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, the wait is over and Indian Oil basically come up with the vacancies of a graduate apprenticeship engineer, that is JEE GAE through GATE 2021. Okay, तो डिस्कस करते हैं इस नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में डिटेल में. व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट, व्हाट इज द क्वालिफिकेशन, which branches are eligible, finally you're eligible or not. So please watch this video till end and share with your friends. If you are new to your PD education, please subscribe the your PD education channel. So first of all, these are the branches which can apply: chemical, civil, electrical, instrumentation and mechanical. Okay, so these are the branches that are eligible. Now who can apply? Only Indian national can apply, and candidate having GATE 2021 from any one of the discipline can apply. So GATE 2021 students are only eligible. Now eligible discipline: if you are from chemical engineering, then your GATE paper must be in chemical. If you are civil, then GATE paper must be in civil. If you are from electrical, then paper must be electrical. Okay, so qualifying in GATE 2021 from any other discipline other than 5 mentioned above shall not be accepted. Okay, and GATE 2021 2020 or before shall not be accepted. Now qualifying degree, suppose if you want to see that qualifying degree BTech, suppose chemical engineering including petroleum, suppose if you have done BTech in petroleum engineering, but for chemical engineering you have given, so you have done BTech in petroleum but given GATE in chemical, then you are eligible. Suppose you have given BTech in ceramic engineering but you have given GATE in chemical, then you are eligible. Okay, so these are the branches, you can just go through this. And similarly, these are the MTech students. If MTech students are pursuing their MTech and BTech in above mentioned criteria, then you are also eligible. Now let's come to the most important part. These are the age limits. You can see here the minimum percentage required in BTech for general, OBC, EWS 65%, and for reserve category candidates SC, ST and PWD is 55%. Now here you can see the most important part: candidate currently in the final year semester of their qualifying degree may also apply. So you are eligible subjected to minimum marks as mentioned above from the aggregate of marks obtained in all semester declared so far. So suppose you have a result of 7 semester, so aggregate marks of 7 semester, if you are from general category, if these marks are minimum 65% or above, then you are eligible. Okay, now reservation and all physical details, application process, you can just apply by going on to the online. Just go to iocl.com, and these are the documents and all detail needs. Now this is very important part: selection process. So as you know that your PDA is the #1 channel for preparation of group discussion, group task and personal interview. So many students you can see on yourpedia.in that who has been selected through your PDA guidance under the basically guidance of Dr. Vijender and team. Okay, so in that category, if you want to prepare, then you can just fill the Google form given below, or you can just contact at the number given below. Okay, so if you have chances that sir I can be shortlisted for this, then start preparation so that you can ensure your selection. Okay, so group discussion, group task and personal interview, these are the, I can say, major criteria for selection. Now shortlisting process: those candidate who have considered for shortlisting GD, GTPI, who meet all the eligibility criteria. Shortlisting of eligible candidates shall be done category wise in descending order on the basis of their marks in GATE 2021. Okay, so merely qualifying GATE 2020 examination does not guarantee shortlisting for GD, GT or PI. Okay, now documents and other things are needed. Merit list: so total merit list will be prepared on the basis of GATE 2021, group discussion and group task, and then PI. Okay, so here you can see these are the refineries or nature of job required. So here you can just get your details, and the basic pay for this is 50,000 per month and shall be placed on pay scale 50,000 to 1,60,000 plus. Will you receive a dearness allowance and other allowance according to the rules of corporation in force and amended from time to time. Okay, so this is very good. Here you can see allowance like HRA, you are going to get accommodation allowance and medical facility and gratuity and contribution provident fund, all you are going to get here. So it is very good opportunity for all of you. Now service bond for category officer engineers, general 3 lakh, and EWS OBC SC ST 50,000 only. Okay, and last date for apply is 26th July 2021, and forms are out today only. Here you can see the this link. Here you can see this link, basically date 7th July 2021. So thank you very much friends. I hope this is helpful for all of you. Thank you very much.